my sister, my daughter, my friend. God knows your circumstances, and it's going to be all right. Just want to sing a few words of this song before I begin. It's gonna be all right. That's just the way God planned it. It's gonna be okay. So hold on. It's gonna be alright. That's just the way God planned it. It's gonna be okay. So hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. God's gonna see you through. Hold on, hold on, hold on. God's gonna see you through. Yes, I come to encourage you. I come to tell you that this is the season of change. This is a season, even as a natural season, we're beginning to enter, and we have entered into fall. The trees are changing, the leaves are changing, the birds are flying back south or north or wherever they came from. The sap is returning to its trees, and nature itself is proclaiming a change is taking place. We are in transition. You say, what are we transitioning from? We're transitioning from carnal to the glory of God. We are being renewed by the washing of the word of our minds daily. But we are in transition. You are in transition. As I look across the church, across the corporate church world, and for many I'm hearing the time of testing has arrived. Many churches are testing, telling how their members are having problems with jobs and being unable to meet their finances, unable to pay the loans off on their cars, and houses threatening, and in some cases even in foreclosure. And even the churches themselves, their building notes are being behind or being late. It is a time of change. It is a time of testing. It is a time of pruning. But I tell you, my sister, I tell you, my friend, that God is still God despite your circumstances. He has not stopped being God because your house note or your church note or whatever the note might be, or you've lost your job, or the members have left, or they've stopped giving tithe. He has not stopped being God because the resources or the provisions may seem lean. But I'm here to tell you that God is still more than enough. I want to go into the scripture just for a few moments before I continue on, to give you at least the scriptures from where I'm coming from. Let's take a look at 1 Peter 4 and 12. And I'm going to read it in the various translations. Beloved, think it not strange. Another translation, do not be bewildered. I beg you not to be unduly alarmed. Do not be surprised. Do not even be astonished. So they laid you off. So you got fired. So they're going to foreclose. So you lost something. They repossessed something. Do not be alarmed. Concerning the fiery trial which has come to try you. Let's hear the translations of that. That a test of fire is being applied to you. At the fiery test taking place among you to prove you. At the fiery ordeal coming among you to put you to the test. At the fiery trial that you are passing through to test you. Beloved, think it not strange. Do not be surprised. Do not be astonished concerning the fiery trial which is to try you. God knows what's in you. He knows the secret innermost chambers of your heart. But do you know you? Many of us have said that we'll follow Jesus regardless of what? Until the test came. Peter thought that he loved him. Peter thought that he would never deny him until the test came. When the circumstances appears dark and dreary, will you deny God through your testimony? Many of you have said, well, the Lord giveth and the Lord taketh away. And one wonders,